Daddy head massage. Give Daddy head massage. Like this. Oh, that's nice. Aww. Yay! He looks so happy. Oh, yeah. Good scalp. Good scalp. There we go. Work it! This is torture. Aw, little kiss. What's it taste like? What are you doing? What is she doing? She's eating your hair and then she's making weird faces. What are you doing? You're gonna hate me for this later. Yeah. Oh no, keep your hands on the scalp. Massage the scalp. There you go.